Welcome back to Uptime.com. In today's video, we will be walking you through how to set up Whois and domain expiry checks. If you want to stay ahead of domain expirations and safeguard your registration information, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Every domain is registered with an expiration date, typically 1 year. With Uptime.com's Whois check, this will help you monitor this and alerts you before it expires. Plus, it tracks changes in your Whois information, which can prevent unauthorized modifications or domain hijacking. Let's start by setting up a Whois check in Uptime.com. First, select the monitoring option, then click Add New. In the check type drop-down menu, select Whois domain expiry. Next, give your check a name and assign it to the contacts who should receive alerts. Enter the domain URL you want to monitor, then click Refresh to fetch the current Whois details for that domain. After that, set the number of days before expiration when you want to receive alerts. For advanced users, Uptime.com's API allows you to create Whois checks programmatically. Here is a sample curl request. Update the necessary fields, such as the domain URL and the expected Whois details, before running the command. Remember, checks created via the API are paused by default, so you'll need to unpause them to activate monitoring. If your Whois check fails, you'll get an alert with details, whether it's a pending expiration or unexpected Whois changes. To troubleshoot, confirm that your domain registration is valid and not nearing its expiration threshold. Also, verify the Whois information to ensure it matches what Uptime.com expects. If it doesn't, click Refresh under the Whois info to update the check and ensure the changes of information that were done by your team are expected. Before finalizing, run a test using the Run Test button to ensure everything is configured correctly. This step is also useful if your check goes down and you've made updates to resolve the issue. Once the test passes, your check will automatically return to an up status after the next scan, usually within 24 hours. And that's how you set up Whois and domain expiry checks with Uptime.com. With this tool, you can protect your domains and stay ahead of expirations with ease. If you have any questions, check out our support articles or contact support@uptime.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this.